So right now, I'm currently throwing away recyclables and trash. Hey. You know who this is? Back with another one. So, it's Easter time. You know what's going on with this virus crap, So, we got Easter going on for the kids, This was a charity thing from the town of Rural Hall. I appreciate them for this. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and let these kids go ahead and get this little early Easter. So I'm going to go ahead and let them up out of here and see what they find. What is everybody playing it safe, right? How you being safe?
Because we got gloves and I got a mask on.
All right.
So I did wear your jacket.
We're going to let Thomas go first. Hold on. I ain't say go yet.
How many he getting? Shut up.
But we're going to let him jump off the porch first and go ahead and start it off. So when I say 3, then you go. When I say 5, y'all go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You taking the one that's closest.
Get them all, Thomas, look.
Oh, I found another one.
Look up.
They want to be all close. You getting all the eggs you can see, huh? Not over here in our yard, Denise.
Dominic, that's his. Just help him put it in his bucket.
Okay. Denise. You better not step in no dog, boo-boo.
There's one right here. I'm sorry. Donna?
I guess on the side. I don't know where they put them at. It is not a lot. It's just a few.
Okay.
So look on the side of the house, Thomas.
So you might have already got all of them. Oh, it was more than I thought. Denise, she did not call you. See, you gotta look. You can't just be looking for the ones that's right in front of your face. You gotta look everywhere. I don't. That's all of them.
Huh?
I think that's it.
No, Mommy gave it to me, not you. Where's my sister?
It's all of them. That's it.
Good job.
How many eggs you get? How many you get? You gonna count them? Let me see how many you got. Let me see. Oh, you got a lot. Like Dominique and Denise. There's no more. So, kids snatched up all the eggs. Man, you know, good people like that. Need a lot more of them in this world. So, kids are happy. I guess we'll wait for Sunday when they go to church, huh? You know, the church always gonna do something.
How is it already
But where's Dominique and Thomas? Go get them. Let's go get them. I'm just stepping all in this mud. These all white. I should have put my slides on. That's it. There ain't no more. Come here, Thomas.
Why would they go over there,
Dominique, they didn't go that far.
Okay.
So, come here, y'all. Now, I want y'all to look at the camera. Look at you looking all crazy with that thing. You all right. Don't worry about it.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
So for the town of Rural Hall, they provided this little event for y'all. It's a charity event that they do for Rural Hall. So what do you want to say to them? What would you like to say to them? You want to say thank you?
Thank you for the Easter egg hunt. It was really fun. Thank
What
you.
about you? Say thank you. You gonna say thank you?
For bring us Easter eggs.
And you'll see them next year.
We did.
All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. They gonna probably go in the house and eat up this candy. And like I say, till next time.